everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I thought I'd hop on here and say hi to everybody. How are you doing? Share with me what's on your hook today. Are you planning already for the holidays? I would love to see and hear what you're making. If you're on Facebook, leave me a comment with a picture of what you're working on right now. I would love to see it. I get so much inspiration from you. I know I say that every week, but it's true. And right now, actually, it was daylight saving last weekend, so my timing is all kind of messed up. It's already dark outside. It's like, what time is it? I'm filming this around 5-6 p.m. and it's already so dark outside. These days are getting shorter and I'm getting tired earlier, but we're fine. It's gonna be okay. It's just for a few months. But I wanted to hop on here and tell you, because I was talking about the holidays already, we are discussing the 12 Days of Christmas projects already. I'm so excited to share this with you. We just discussed the designs and what we're gonna make, and I'm really excited about it. So I know for the past few years I've been doing the 12 Days of Christmas where we'll make 12 crochet projects, really quick and easy projects for the first 12 days of December. I share leading up to Christmas what we are making. So I can't wait because the projects, I mean, we're doing ornaments, a bunch of home items, wearable items, a lot of baby items, because obviously I have a cute little model over here, Nasser. He's so adorable. So yeah, I have some really exciting projects in the works right now. Actually, I can't share with you yet, but we're going to be filming tomorrow. It's my birthday, but we're going to be filming in the studio tomorrow. You know, when you work from home, all the days you work, and I will plan to enjoy a little bit tomorrow, but we are going to be filming some really cool designs. I can't wait to share with you. I can hint to you it will be a hat pattern, but I'm not going to show you what it is because it's just super fabulous, and it's going to be a really fun design for all ages. I will probably write the pattern for all sizes, so I can't wait to share that with you for free on my website. How exciting is that? I'm going to be using Chic Sheep yarn. That's Marley Bird's yarn, Red Heart Chic Sheep yarn. And also I have another pattern in the works using the Heat Wave yarn. I know in a few videos, few WIP Wednesdays ago, I shared the Heat Wave yarn in beach ball and a gray color, which the name is slipping my mind right now, but this hot corally pink color and gray, and the matching of those two colors just look really great in this pattern that I'm working on, and it'll have a different medium. I think I'm going to add fur to it as well, so it's going to be a really interesting fashionable piece that you can wear, so I'm really excited to do that, and that'll come up hopefully in the next couple of weeks. We'll have that finished and filmed for everybody. But yeah, we're having the 12 Days of Christmas planned, and we are making some really fun designs for everybody, so I can't wait. Nasser is napping right now, so as soon as he wakes up, we are introducing food into his diet. I mean, obviously he has milk and oatmeal, but he's also getting vegetables now. So we tried carrots and pumpkin, and he's loving it so far. So we are doing that here. And he's just growing, and he's all smiles and everything. I gotta share a video with everybody of him just laughing. One of the crochet bloggers, actually, my friend Kristen Magnus from Good Knit Kisses, gave him a cute little rattle toy. She knit and she put a little rattle inside, and he is just playing with it, and it's so cute. I'll try to find it in my phone. I did a little quick snap video of it, but I'll try to upload it here to Facebook. If you're on YouTube, go check out my Facebook page because I gotta show you guys. It is so funny. He loves that little rattle toy, and he's just laughing. He's so adorable. Oh, I'm so obsessed. So I just wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody, but I already miss him, so I'm gonna go snuggle him. But I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Tomorrow I am celebrating another year on this earth, and I am so happy to just be here and sharing it with all of you. And I'm gonna might definitely eat some cake. You know I will. Just pile on all the frosting and I could just eat frosting all day. I love it so much. I have like the biggest sweet tooth. Oh my gosh. And Halloween passed and I just ate all the candy. So I did hand some out, so don't worry, but I did eat half the bowl. But I can't help myself. But anyway, enough of that. I hope you have a great day and I will see you next week. Happy hooking!